Yo, what's up, guys? It is June 22nd, and this is the trade recap of the day. Nice P&L, 1300 on the day. Let's go into what I saw going into the morning. So, looking at the higher time frame, we did have a 1 hour gap right here that we could reject off of. Also had a 15-minute gap. What's important to know from this fair value gap here is people may think maybe we're gonna reject from this area, right? This is where they would build the fair value gap, and actually it would be right here at this intermediate term high because liquidity has entered in the fair value gap. This is no longer the point of interest, and when I see something enter into a fair value gap, when you have an intermediate term high or intermediate term low, then you want to see this liquidity get swept for it to be my higher time frame point of interest, and that's where I waited for. Let's go into the 1 minute. Okay, first my bias is short, a bunch of low resistance liquidity to the downside here. Not so much bullish, especially since we swept this. Go into the 1 minute. Did exactly what I wanted to here. Entered into this 15-minute gap. Saw that. Entered in the 15-minute gap. Saw a rejection here. And then wanted this 1 minute inverse. Unfortunately, got a very bad entry. But that's all good. Had this huge displacement candle here. Inverse this whole bullish area. Had a 1-to-1 and got my piece of the pie. And it's that simple. Not a hard trade. I feel like it was a pretty A+ setup, but yeah, that was P&L ski for the day. Got my 1-to-1, did what I needed to do. 1300 on the day, and yeah, that's 1 for 1 this week. We did go on a little bit of a winning streak last week, but instantly take profit, smacked it. Maybe if I could have gotten this little bit here, could have inversed it here, maybe could have made a lot more. Could have had stops, or could have had take profit all the way down here, but just wanted to target my piece of the pie and get that 1-to-1. But yeah, we'll see how market moves the rest, but I'm probably done for the day. But yeah, that'll be all. That is June 22nd for this trade, and I'll see you guys in the next one.